Hello, 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 islanders and global viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be preparing scrambled eggs. Yes, scrambled eggs. We're going to show you how to make the best scrambled eggs. Some of you already know how to make it, fine, good, but for those of you who want to know how to get that real nice fluffiness, stay with us. Alright, so here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs. I'm just going to be cracking them one by one gently into this bowl. Trying not to get any of the shell into it. All right. This is a fairly simple dish, but sometimes persons really would like to know what's the trick to getting them very fluffy. So that's what we're trying to show you today. Okay? All right, now I'm going to add just a little bit of milk to this mixture. Just a little bit of milk. It's optional. Then I'm going to just whisk it in gently like this and ensure that I get all the yellow mixed into the white, because if you don't do that, sometimes you find what happens is that, all right, you have the eggs together, but when you finish you find that it is, you know, some places looking white and some places looking yellow, and we don't want that. So we're giving it a nice whisk to whisk everything in. I'm using a whisk, but you can also use a fork, of course. Okay, now we have this pot here just a little preheated, but not too hot. Must be just a very lightly heated, because you don't want the eggs to start frying. We're trying to scramble them. So what we're going to do now is add a little butter. Yes. All right. We're going to just watch that melt out a little bit now. Once it melts out fully, then we can move on to the next step. So it's melting quite easily, and you can just turn it around to help melt it out a little faster. But you don't want to turn up the heat, because you want this to be done on very low heat. All right, there, the butter is fully melted now. What we're going to do is just pour this egg mixture right in. Then you're going to pay keen attention. Once the sides around here start forming, looking a little solid, I'm going to start to pull it right into the center slowly. What that does is allows the rest of the mixture to move to the sides, and the inside just keeps cooking nicely. We're watching around the corners. Right now it's starting to form around the sides. We're going to just start pulling it into the center. Gently pulling it in. Yes, and let the softer parts fall to the outside. Just pull it in. See that? You can see the inner softer parts falling to the outside. Yes. You also want to use a non-stick pot for this. Look at that egg. See, it's starting to look so fluffy already. Good. So you don't want to be stirring all over, because that just breaks it up and makes it flat. As soon as it hits the plate, it's already flat. Yes, coming together really nicely. Look at that. Looking all so fluffy and lovely. Yes. Now you don't want the sides to start getting brown, so you're going to just start gently turning it over. Turning your eggs right over like that. Yes, it's all forming together now. Wow. That's it. Look how fluffy that is. Keep turning it, and you see it's not browning. Turn it over so it cooks right through. Oh wow, so fluffy. Lovely, that's all ready now. Now we're going to go ahead and just plate this egg. Wow, nice and fluffy. Let me know if you like this recipe, or if you like our way of preparing this scrambled eggs. Yes, let me know in the comments. I could also just add a little bit of cracked pepper at this point. If you like, you can add just a little bit of cracked pepper. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Those of you who have been watching, thank you for your support. Those of you who are new to my channel, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Ciao.